You want to try, Aiden? Today in Luquillo, we are in the rainforest. So one thing that's kind of interesting about Luquillo is it has beautiful beaches, and not very far away is also beautiful mountains, including El Yunque. So on this side, you can come into El Yunque for free of charge. You just kind of park. There's plenty of parking. Today we are going to go down Angelito Trail. So this is a beautiful path. We haven't started it yet, but from what I understand, it's a fairly easy path. And only about 15 minutes to a little water hole down a river. I think it's the same river that Las Pailas feeds into. Okay, so after a 15-minute walk, or a little longer if you want to take a lot of pictures, we arrived at the bottom of the Angelito Trail to Rio Mameyes, El Rio de la Mina. It's a beautiful spot. A lot of people are here. It's very popular. It looks like there are quite a few tour guides and places that take you here, but it would be very simple to come by yourself. It's just park on the road, very simple, easy parking, and a nice walk, very well carved out trail. Just be prepared for a lot of people. we found a nice little spot over here on the other side of the river when you come down from the Angelito Trail. And it's a beautiful river, lots of rocks and a little pond here where you can swim. And on the other side is the kind of the more popular pond area that also has a rope swing. So we'll see if we can hang and dangle from that one.
Throw some in the water now. That's why you have a waterproof camera. Here we are, living life on the river. We need to catch fish to survive. Using we failed to catch a fish, therefore I think the end may be near.
Okay. I think I might have to get in position for being a fisherwoman.
Can she do it? We don't know. We're about to find out. Here.
Mama, I use the red to have a...
Okay, put it on my hand, Ada, right over my hand so they come to me. Yes. Almost got one.
That one jumped.
Yeah.
I think if you just grab at it.
Yeah, they're pretty. We just need a little net, huh?
We just need a little...
Do it again. Put your hand right.
You want to write your name? Okay, write your name. Oh, that's your 8. Good job. Let's write another 8. Look at that. I love Asian. That's a big corazon. That's pretty cool. It's like chalk, huh? Let's write on your face. Show Dada your face. I'm gonna are lying on Aiden's face. Wow!
That's how your hair got so red.
That's why you're so red, huh? Here we go, Eden. Ready? Got it? Got a good hair? Okay, here we go. Wow! Did you jump in the water? No. Okay, on the top one? Okay, grab it. Grab it. Can you reach it? Try it again. You got it. A little higher. You got it. You want to put your legs up there? You want your swing? Oh, you want to sit? Sorry. It's hard, huh? Doing real good. Okay, Nate. You got it? Okay. Ready? Listo? Ahora sí. You want to go a little farther? Okay, hold on tight. Wow, look at that.
We're gonna push Aiden. Here you go, buddy. I'm gonna give you a little push.
First thing to a better place.
All right, here she goes. That wasn't very deep at all.
Just down the road from the Angelito Trail is what they call Puente Roto, which means broken bridge. And I assume that maybe at one point in time this bridge here was broken and now it is repaired, obviously. It's a pretty main thoroughfare. But down below is a beautiful river, lots of little spots to hang out, soft flowing water. Just has a really nice calm feeling. So if you don't want to take the hike down to Angelito, you could also pull over here and just enjoy the river's roadside. Another waterfall just off the side of the road. I don't know what this one's called, but it's really beautiful how it kind of slowly cascades down these shelf-like rock formations. Let me see. Looks like there's a little trail. Richies, which was a beautiful overlook over the water. And now it's time for ice cream. Is it time for ice cream? This is a place called Puerto Rico Ice Cream, and they're remodeling. So right now it's all drive-through, but we were able to drive through, get our ice cream, and now we're gonna sit here and eat it, huh? Ready, Eden? What do we say when we eat? Beto.